Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your group chat notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to snooze a group conversation on X using your PC, so you can enjoy some peace and quiet whenever you need it. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the homepage and click on the Messages tab. This will bring up all your direct messages, including your group chats. Now, find the group conversation you want to snooze. You don't need to open the chat, just hover your mouse over the group name. When you do this, you'll see 3 dots appear, usually to the right of the group. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more options. From the menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Snooze Conversation. Click on it. A new window will appear, giving you several snooze duration choices. You can silence notifications for 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 week, or even forever, depending on how long you want to pause alerts from this group. Select your preferred snooze time, and you're all set. Notifications from that group will be muted for the duration you chose, letting you focus on what matters most without constant interruptions. If you ever want to turn notifications back on before the snooze period ends, just repeat these steps and disable the snooze. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage your group chat experience on X. Whether you're working, studying, or just need a break from the buzz, snoozing group conversations puts you in control of your notifications. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to make the most of your time on X.